Hey guys, Devin Boundary Ford. Today we're going to show up this brand new 2023 Ford Expedition Max with a limited package. We're going to do an outside walk around as well as an inside tour. And I'm going to show you guys why the Expedition is one of our best vehicles. So let's get right into it. Just on our front here, you'll see a lovely black lettering across the top saying Expedition, along with just down to our side, our nice squared off headlights and our beautiful black metal tow hooks. And just down to the side here, you'll see we have a roof railing as well as our beautiful new squared body. And along the side, you'll see our color matched mirrors along with our handles, and just below being our power deploy running boards. Moving to the front, this model gives us comfort and luxury, along with our black seating and our beautiful red stitching. Just in the inside, you'll see we have power adjustable pedals, along with our heated seats, a beautiful heated steering wheel, as well as our privacy tint in the back windows. And just to the center, we have our 15.5-inch touchscreen display, with just below being our wireless touchpad. Moving into the back, you'll see we have plenty of cargo space. And as you can see, we also have the 7 seats for all your family. Enjoyable, comfy, and stylish is what the Expedition will provide. So stop by and check it out for yourself at Boundary Ford, where we offer the best deals in the prairie. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more of what we have in store.
Go.
Just in the front, we have our 15.5-inch touchscreen TV.